The Segway Navimow i110N robot lawnmower redefines what it means to maintain a perfectly manicured lawn without lifting a finger. As a new entrant in the smart home and garden market, this robotic mower promises to take the hassle out of yard work, and it delivers on its promises with advanced technology and user-centric design. First and foremost, the Navimow i110N eliminates the need for the traditional boundary wires that many robotic mowers depend on. Instead, it uses Segway's proprietary virtual boundary system. This innovative feature allows homeowners to define mowing areas through an intuitive app interface. By eliminating the complexity of physical installations, it becomes an appealing choice for both tech enthusiasts and garden lovers. The precision of the Navimow i110N is another standout feature. Thanks to GPS and advanced navigation technologies, this mower can maintain accuracy within 2 centimeters, ensuring your lawn looks pristine every time it operates. Its ability to navigate uneven terrains, slopes, and various obstacles makes it an excellent choice for homeowners with challenging landscapes. When it comes to safety, Segway has integrated multiple layers of protection into the Navimow. The onboard sensors allow the robot to detect and avoid pets, children, or any unexpected items in its path. This safety-first approach ensures peace of mind for families while the mower does its job. One of the most compelling features of the Navimow i110N is its quiet operation. Unlike traditional mowers, which can be quite disruptive, the Navimow operates at a noise level akin to a quiet conversation. This makes it ideal for neighborhoods with strict noise ordinances or homeowners who value tranquility. Battery life and efficiency are also impressive. The Navimow can handle up to 500 square meters of lawn per charge and automatically returns to its docking station when it needs a recharge. Combined with its weatherproof design, it ensures uninterrupted performance regardless of weather conditions. The app integration is another highlight of the Navimow experience. Through the Segway Navimow app, users can schedule mowing times, monitor the robot's progress, and adjust settings remotely. The app is easy to use and provides a seamless connection between user and device, making lawn care as simple as tapping a screen. However, no product is without its shortcomings. The Segway Navimow i110N comes with a premium price tag, which may not be accessible to all homeowners. Additionally, while the virtual boundary system is revolutionary, it requires a reliable GPS signal to function effectively, which could be a limitation in areas with poor connectivity. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Segway Navimow i110N represents a significant step forward in smart home technology. It combines innovative features, robust performance, and convenience to deliver a truly unique lawn care solution. For those looking to invest in a robotic mower that is both efficient and technologically advanced, the Navimow i110N is worth considering. In conclusion, the Segway Navimow i110N robot lawnmower is a game-changer in outdoor home maintenance. Its combination of boundary-free mowing, precision navigation, safety features, and smart integration make it one of the most advanced robotic mowers on the market. If you're tired of traditional lawn maintenance, this device could be the perfect addition to your smart home ecosystem.